Today, I'm helping you guys save some money and still enjoy your favorite egg bites at home. These cottage cheese egg bites cost less than $1 per bite to make, are super rich, fluffy, and easy to make. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll prepare the mixture while your oven heats up. Grab your blender or food processor jar. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese. I'm using full fat today, but reduced fat also works for this recipe. Crack open and add 4 large eggs. Add 4 large egg whites. You can also just use 4 eggs instead to bring the total to 8 eggs for this recipe. Add 3/4 a cup of your preferred shredded cheese. Add 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And finally, add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Cover your blender or food processor jar, power on your device, then blend everything together for about a minute or 2 until you have a smooth consistency. Add 1/4 a cup of bacon bits. I'm using turkey bacon for today. While I added it in the blender jar, I would honestly recommend adding it into the muffin cups as you'll see later, but this method still works. Grab your muffin tin and then add your muffin liners in them. You'll need 12 for this recipe. Give them a light spray of oil. Carefully pour your mixture into each muffin tin. As I stated earlier, the problem with adding the bacon bits in the blender is they get stuck near the bottom and you end up pouring them out near the end. Again, while I was able to make it work still with this method, I'd recommend you just add them in the cups. Bake these egg bites on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 28 minutes. Once they're done baking, they should be set and no longer jiggly. Go ahead and remove them from the oven. Garnish them with some fresh chives or green onions, then you're set to serve your cottage cheese egg bites. Each bite has about 110 calories and 9 grams of protein to fuel your health and fitness goals. After trying these, I guarantee you'll never want to buy egg bites again. You can make multiple batches to meal prep these for the week. That way you'll have plenty of delicious egg bites ready to go. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.